They arrived here 2 weeks ago. The SANDF capability on display, it's been assisting the people of Mozambique, Zimbabwe and Malawi. Helicopters have been deployed in search and rescue operations and have been delivering critical aid to devastated areas.
The scale of this disaster is unimaginable. Unimaginable. It is for this reason that the South African government, through the Minister of Defense and the Chief of the South African National Defense Force, has sent us to come here and support the Mozambican people. What is our mission? Our mission is to provide disaster relief support to the Republic of Mozambique. Confidence building and trust with our SADC partners. And 5, to portray a professional image by the South African National Defense Force at all times.
Back home, South Africans are watching the work of the SANDF and local aid agencies.
I feel very sad for them about what they're going through, but I'm also happy that South Africans are reaching out and giving a helping hand.
Our heart goes out to everybody there. We're really proud of our country at this time as well, in helping and giving aid to those countries.
South Africa is now in Africa, and SADC is supposed to be the big brother. So I'm expecting much to be done by South Africa.
I think the situation there in Mozambique, it's not good enough, because I feel like people have to be one. They have to unite to help those people there in Mozambique.
The Cyclone Idai death toll already stands at close to 800, and thousands more have been displaced from their homes. Sipho Stirman, SABC News, Pretoria.